I've been doing better than the last 4 cold Decembers I recall. And I see my family every month. I found a girl my parents love. She'll come and stay the night and night.
Happy birthday, Ilsa. Atagan ka pa din damo na birthday.
Parents love. She'll come and stay the night, and I think I might have it all. And I thank God every day.
Happy birthday, sana marami pang birthday ang darating sa iyo at bigyan ka ng mahaba pang buhay. At salamat sa iyong pagtulong sa amin. Kahit nawala si kuya mo, hindi magbabago ang aming pagtingin sa inyo. Ingat palagi sa iyong buhay.
And I thank God every day for the girl He sent my way. But I know the things He gives me, He can take away. And I hold you every night.
Happy birthday, Mama! Happy 70th birthday. We really miss you and wish you the happiest birthday ever, and hope you continue to recover from your surgery, and hope you're able to travel a little bit more, because I know you were on that trip, and it there was times that it was a little shaky, but I know you had a good time, and we hope you can get to feeling a little bit better, and we can come. You can come back to the States and visit us. We'd love to have you. We would just absolutely love to have you. In fact, I was telling Emily the other day how much we miss you. So. Anyway.
Yes, ma.
Happy birthday.
Happy birthday. Happy 70th birthday. Nagulat ka, no? Akala mo nakalimutan na namin ang birthday mo. Anyway, nagpapasalamat ako kasi binigyan ka pa ng God ng another year. Na ma-reach mo yung 70 years old. We are very happy. And I just wanna thank sa mga sister ko na nagtulong-tulong para mabuo tong birthday mo. I hope na masaya ka ngayon at na surprise ka namin. Anyway, that was so good kasi siguro akala mo wala kang birthday. But anyway, we are so happy. Ang pinagdadasal lang namin kay God na sana bigyan ka pa ng maraming buhay para matagal ka pa namin makasama. Lagi mong tatandaan na
mahal ka namin.
Oh, di ba? Unang Tagalog niya yon. Talaga pinag-aralan niya yan, ma. Ang daming bloopers nito, ma. But anyway, lagi mong tatandaan, mahal na mahal ka namin ni James.
Happy birthday.
Happy birthday, and we'll see you soon.
Bye-bye.
And I thank God every day for the girl He sent my way. But I know the things He gives me, He can take away. And I hold you.
Happy birthday, Mama. I wish you all the best and a healthy and very long life together with the Papa and the family. Stay healthy so you can also visit us again in Germany, and maybe you can see already the new grandchild. Mahal na mahal ka namin, Mama, andito lang kami palagi para sa'yo.
Hello, Ma. Happy birthday. Sana na-surprise ka namin. Akala mo wala kang handa, no? Ang pinagpe-pray namin palagi sana bigyan pa kayo ni Lord na napakahabang buhay na makasama namin, kayo ni Papa. At thank you so much sa lahat ng sacrifices ninyo sa amin, magkakapatid. Thank you kasi kung nasaan man kami ngayon, dahil lahat yon sa inyo. At kahit hindi man tayo mayaman noon, pinilit niyong patapusin kami ng pag-aaral. At maraming salamat. Walang katumbas na anumang bagay na pwede namin ibigay sa lahat ng sakripisyo ninyo ni Papa para sa amin. And yun na, palagi lang kami nandito ni Hagen para sa'yo. At sana palagi kayong masaya at lagi kayong mag-ingat palagi. At sana next time pagpunta mo dito, mas malakas ka na at kaya mo na yung lamig. Marami pa tayong bansang pupuntahan. And yun maraming salamat sa lahat. Mahal na mahal namin kayo ni Papa. Happy birthday!
Happy birthday!
For a while there it was rough, but lately I've been doing better than the last 4 cold Decembers I recall. And I see my family.
Hi everyone! Hi Mama! Happy birthday! Happy 70th birthday! Ang wish ko sa iyo ay sana bigyan ka pa ng Panginoon na maraming taon, maraming kaarawan, para maraming taon ka pa namin makasama. Alam ko na nakaraang taon marami tayong pinagdaanan sa ating family, sa iyong life, but you show that you are a strong woman. Nalagpasan mo lahat ng pagsubok na dumating sa iyo. Parati mo tatandaan, nandito lang kami magkakapatid para sa iyo. We always support you and love you so much. Parati mong tatandaan na ano man ang pagsubok na dumating sa buhay mo, laging nandyan ang Panginoon na never kang pinabayaan. I love you so much. I miss you so much. Enjoy your birthday. Me and Chewy always there for you. And see you soon. See you. I'm going home next month. I love you.
But lately I've been doing better than the last 4 cold Decembers I recall. And I see my family every month. I found a girl my parents love. She'll come and stay the night.
Hi Ma! Happy 70th birthday! Wish ko bigyan ka pa ng Panginoon na marami pang birthday. Ingatan ka niya lagi saan ka man pumunta. Maging ang kalusugan mo. Sana lagi nasa maayos. Wala man kami ngayon dyan para i-celebrate yung special day mo. Lagi mong tatandaan na mahal ka namin. Enjoy your day and I miss you so much and we'll see you soon.
Think I might have it all, and I thank God every day for the girl He sent my way. But I know the things He gives me, He can take away. And I hold you every night, and that's a feel.
Happy birthday, Mama!
Hi, Mama. I am now a teenager, and my height now is 5'7". I'm taller than my mom and dad, and I love God. And moving on to Aisha.
Aisha, go. Go ahead.
Okay. Hello. I'm 6'1", and yeah. How tall am I?
I just say it.
Just happy birthday, Ayana. Happy birthday, Mama.
I already said happy birthday. I'm going to 4th grade, and I'm 9.
Girl.
That's it.
Mom, your turn.
Happy birthday, Ma. Stay healthy. I hope we'll be able to see you again. We love you and we miss you. I will love you, Ma.
Love you, Mama.
Happy birthday, Ma. Stay healthy. And Long live. Bye.
Night and I think I might have it all. And I thank God every day for the girl He sent my way. But I know the things He gives me, He can take away.